Can homemade borax ant bait be used in commercial buildings or offices, and what precautions are required? Homemade borax ant bait can be effective in commercial settings when applied with a clear safety plan and regular monitoring. Use a sugar and borax mixture at low concentration so foraging ants carry it back to the nest while minimizing risk to people. Place bait in sealed bait stations or under counters and behind baseboards where staff and customers will not access it directly. Map ant trails and place multiple small stations rather than one large pile so distribution is faster and less likely to be disturbed. Keep written placement records and check stations daily for the first week, then twice weekly, until activity stops to avoid stale bait that attracts other pests. Coordinate with building managers to post discreet notices in affected zones so staff know where not to touch and so cleaning crews avoid removing baits. If the building has food service or sensitive populations like children or patients, consider replacing borax bait with professional gel baits approved for those environments. Common mistakes include leaving open bowls that staff or customers can access, which creates a hazard, so always use enclosed stations or tape lids shut and store extra bait securely. Another issue is applying too high a borax concentration, which kills foragers too quickly and prevents nest transfer, so measure carefully and aim for a palatable sugar to borax ratio. A third problem is treating without mapping trails, which leads to missed nest sites and persistent activity, so spend time observing ant movement for a few hours to place stations along primary routes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and business managers with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users share experiences and practical tips on pest control and workplace safety. We help contractors find local work and help property owners find people familiar with commercial building needs.